we're breaking down the ATV, and there's Travis taking off that bolt. It's been 3 days now on that one bolt. Still waiting. 3 days.
Oh.
Been 3 days. Still going at it.
It hasn't been 3 days.
One bolt for 3 days. This is the 110 ATV for Travis. See if he's a good boy. And this is him helping me take off a screw. Hope he gets that screw out. We're counting on him, or else it's not gonna start because of that screw. Just wiggle it off.
Hi everyone, so we're going to take out the old wiring harness and put in the new one. This is the new one, we just got it yesterday, I think.
Okay. And I picked this rear bracket, or whatever we call it, rear carrier cage thing. I don't know what you call it. Picked this up at a scooter parts shop here in Vegas. Thing is that it didn't really quite fit, as you can see right here. See, the bracket was supposed to bolt up to here, but there's a space. So what I did was I just bought some spacers, some long spacers, and I chopped it up, and then I made it fit. See, made my own spacers. So now it's all good. And that's about it for now. All right. I'm just trying to stretch out the wire to make sure everything is where it's supposed to be, and then comparing it to the old wiring on the bike. Okay, good. You ready?